In this video, we're going over LG Stylo 6 tips and tricks using the pen. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we want to show you some cool tips and tricks specifically around using the pen. So the first one we're going to show you is a very helpful little thing you can do with the pen, and it's being able to highlight text to copy and paste from websites or other things on your phone. So for example, I'm on the LG website here, and let's say I wanted to copy all the text that you see right here. I can simply just hold down and then drag the second little blue dot, and I can highlight all the text here and easily copy it. Now you can also highlight it and quickly share it. And by hitting share, you can, send it as a text message, as a add it as a note in your note app, or have it jump right into an email. So you've got three options, and it's just a really quick way to grab text from any app that's on your phone, just about any app that's on your phone. Moving on to our next tip, we're gonna show you what happens when you need to take a quick note, but your phone is off. So there's a little feature called Screen Off Memo. And basically, when your phone is off and you want to jot down something really quickly, you can easily just pick up your phone, take out your pen, and your screen will automatically turn on and take you right to what's called Screen Off Memo. Now I can easily take down a quick note. Maybe you need a quick phone number. I can just quickly write that. And then I can just hit the checkbox here, or the checkbox, excuse me, and it's gonna save that note in your quick memo section on the phone, and that's it. So if something important comes up and you need it, just take out your phone, take out your pen, and the memo will automatically come up. Now if we go to our Quick Memo Plus app here, there is our note that we just wrote right there. So that's a really cool feature and definitely takes advantage of that pen and that big screen. Moving on to our next tip, we want to show you how to convert written text into type. So with your keyboard, you have a little shortcut. So I'm just going to tap in this section here just so I can open up the keyboard. And obviously you can type if you want to just add words into the search. But what you can also do is tap on this drop down arrow here and go to handwriting. And now I can write, and it will automatically convert my text in the search box. So in case you don't want to type, maybe your phone is on the table and you just want to write out a quick note, it will automatically convert the text for you just like that. And when you're finished, just simply tap on the little keyboard in the corner here and it will take you back to your regular digital keyboard. And that's it. Moving on to our next tip, we're going to show you some cool shortcuts for the pen and also how to change some of the shortcuts. So whenever you take out the pen, you'll have this little menu that's going to come up in the corner, and you'll see it somewhere on the edge of your screen. But you're going to tap here and you'll have these 5 shortcuts that you can access from the pen. Now if you come down and click on the settings wheel in the corner and then go to Pen Pop Shortcut, you're actually able to change those 5 shortcuts depending on what apps you would like to be there. So maybe you say, I'll probably never use that screen memo feature, so let me turn that off. You might say, hey, I would rather have my Google Chrome app there. So I just turned that off and now I have a free slot and I can come down here and then turn on Chrome. And same thing, oh, I'm probably not gonna use that draw chat feature, but you know what? I'd love to have Facebook there. And now you'll have brand new shortcuts. So if I tap here, there's my Google Chrome and Facebook. So just a really quick, easy way to change your shortcuts with the pen menu. And for our next tip, we're gonna show you how to change what happens when your pen is taken out. So when your screen is on, watch this, take out the pen. Whenever you take it out, it's gonna automatically bring up your pen shortcut menu. For those of you that like to use this, great. But for those of you that say, hey, I don't really like this feature, I kind of wish nothing happened when I took out the pen, you can adjust that in the settings. Go down to the wheel in the corner, and right here where it says open when pen is removed, tap in this section, and you can change it and say, hey, when I take out the pen, launch a new memo, you can do that. Or you can say, hey, I don't want anything to happen. I just want the screen to stay where it is. And now, if I take that pen, put it back, take it out, nothing is gonna happen. So now, disclaimer, our little pen menu is also not showing up. So you do lose that if you turn off the pen pop menu. You'll have to find those apps on the screen versus finding them in that little shortcut. So it's up to you what you'd like. I would say keep it on because I think it's convenient, but obviously that's up to you. And for our very last tip, we're gonna show you how to convert your text into really nice calligraphy. It's a built-in feature. So we're gonna go to a quick menu or quick memo plus, and we're gonna just tap here. And we have a new note that's opened up here. And just to show you a couple of things you can do, if you tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner here and tap on paper color, you can actually change the background of your note. You can just do a solid white or yellow or whatever color works best for you. And then let's say I write something. So first I'm gonna tap on the pen. And when you tap on the pen, it automatically allows you to write. And it also locks the screen for you so you don't accidentally hit the menu buttons. So if you want to get off the note, you can just tap there and then your navigation bar is there. But when this is red, then it won't allow you to navigate from the note. So just FYI. So let's say I write something here. I write a name, Jim Jones. Now, if I tap on this little icon here, this is your calligraphy icon, I can write something else and it's gonna convert the text into nice writing. So I'm gonna write the same thing. So it basically will take your text and it'll convert it into nicer text because clearly I don't have the best penmanship, and so what I'm writing doesn't come out very nice, but this way you can convert it. So maybe you're writing a nice note to someone and you wanna just have nice text. This is a cool little trick to just make the writing look better. And here you have different fonts you can choose from. So let's try this one here. I like that a little bit better than this personally. And you can also add other fonts as well. It's going to take you to the LG Smart World store where you can find different fonts that are available. And obviously some are going to be free, some are paid. If you tap on top free, you can find all the free fonts you can download. And now you can easily convert your text into a nicer, it's a nicer font. So this has been tips and tricks for using the pen on the LG Stylo 6. Do us a favor, guys. First, in the comment section down below, tell us what tip you like the best. And second, if you found any other good tips to use with the pen, we'd love to hear it in the comment section down below. We're a community here and we're all learning different things we can do with this phone. So I'd love to hear what you guys are doing with your Stylo 6. And let's just add more tips down below. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.